Hi, and welcome back to another tutorial on using IRIV PiControl and Node-RED. Today, we will learn how to use HTTP requests to monitor data on Thingspeak. Before we send large data to Thingspeak using HTTP requests, let's understand first how does that work in Node-RED. Basically, we will need two function nodes. The first one will be used to store data in it, and the second function node will send this data to Thingspeak via HTTP request node. In this example, I'm using an inject node to send number 5. Then we will open the first function node to store number 5 in it. All you have to do is create a new variable by typing context.flow.test1. Then make that variable equal to the message payload that is coming from an inject node. Now open the second function node so we can adjust it to send data to Thingspeak. Start by defining the method as get. Then type in the URL link. You can get the link from Thingspeak under the API keys section. Copy and paste this link to your code. Then delete number 0 from field 1. And after that, write in the variable name that is storing our data. Now open the HTTP request node and change the method to setByMessage.method. Before we test our program, make sure you already set up your channel and activating field number 1. Press deploy and hit the inject node. Now you will notice the data has been sent to Thingspeak cloud and you can view it from there. Now let's see how we can monitor real-time sensor data on Thingspeak. In this example, I'm using these nodes to store the data that are coming from the RS485 industrial temperature and humidity sensor. Inside the humidity function, I have created a variable called context.flow.humidity to store humidity readings from the sensor, and I did the same for the temperature function node. To learn more about how these nodes work together, please watch this tutorial. I will leave the link in the description. Next, I have created this node to store data that are coming from the power meter. Each function node has a unique variable to store a specific data. For example, the first function node is store voltage readings. The second function node is storing current readings. And the third function node is storing power readings. To learn more about how these nodes work together, please watch this tutorial. I will leave the link in the description. Next, I use the function node to send data to Thingspeak. You will notice here I'm using 5 fields. Each is getting data from certain variable, the ones we have created before. And I also have enabled these fields in the channel settings in Thingspeak, so make sure to do so as well. Lastly, I have used an HTTP request node and adjust its method to setByMessage.method. Next, I will connect the nodes together this way, and I will hit deploy. Now, once we open Thingspeak, you will notice the data are displayed in these line charts. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.